GIT workflow for GKE. What is a GIT workflow for GKE? A GIT workflow for GKE is the structured process teams use to manage Kubernetes application code and deployment configuration safely using GIT. It defines how application code is updated, how Kubernetes manifests, YAML are changed, how container images are built, how production deployments are controlled, why it matters for GKE. Kubernetes deploys changes fast. One bad manifest can break the cluster. Rollbacks must be quick. Deployments happen often. So workflow equals stability plus control plus safe deployments. Why GKE projects need a proper GIT workflow? GKE projects usually include application source code, Docker files, Kubernetes YAML files, deployment, service, ingress, Helm charts or customize configs, CI/CD pipeline configs. Without workflow, cross-mark broken clusters, cross-mark failed deployments, cross-mark hard rollbacks, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark no release history. With workflow, check mark stable clusters, check mark predictable deployments, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer releases, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for GKE. Common structure. Main means production ready manifests. Develop means active development. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepared deployment. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, user service, feature, payment service, release, version 1.4.0. Hotfix, crash loop fix. Why? Protects live clusters. Supports parallel development. Enables controlled releases. Feature branch workflow. GKE. For each task, create branch from develop. Write application code. Update Kubernetes manifests. Build and test Docker image. Test locally. Kind, Minikube. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky changes. Prevents breaking production. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark work directly on main. Cross-mark apply kubectl changes manually in prod. Good practice. Check mark one service per branch. Check mark one task per branch. Pull requests in GKE projects. PRs are used to review application logic, review Kubernetes YAML, check resource limits, validate configs, run automated tests. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark linked issue, ticket, check mark test results, check mark deployment notes. Why? Prevents cluster failures, documents infra changes, improves quality. Bad PR. Cross-mark no description. Cross-mark no tests. Cross-mark huge PR. Commit strategy for GKE. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages. Add Kubernetes deployment for auth service. Fix readiness probe configuration. Update resource limits for a pod. Bad commit messages. Update. Fix. Final. Why? Easy rollback. Easy debugging. Clean history. Daily workflow in GKE teams. Typical flow. Pull latest develop. Create feature branch. Write code. Update YAML files. Build and test image. Commit changes. Push branch. Create PR. Review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts. Keeps work isolated. Keeps cluster stable. Hotfix workflow for GKE. When production breaks, create hotfix branch from main. Fix manifest or code. Test deployment. Deploy to staging cluster. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeat issues. Example: hotfix, pod crash. Release strategy for GKE. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze features. Run integration tests. Deploy to staging. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example: release, version 2.2.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. GK teams. Review focuses on Kubernetes configs, security, resource usage, scaling behavior, error handling, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer outages, better reliability, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in GKE workflow. Automation should run unit tests, build Docker images, push to registry, deploy to GKE, run smoke tests, on every PR, run tests, lint YAML, validate manifests. Why? Prevents broken deployments, saves time, builds confidence. Tools: Google Cloud Build, GitHub Actions, Helm, Argo CD, Terraform. Common GKE GIT mistakes: direct commits to main, no PR reviews, no tests, manual kubectl in production, no version tags. Why? Risky clusters, hard debugging, no audit trail, naming conventions, branches. Feature: notification service. Feature: image API. Release: version 1.6.0. Hotfix: error. Commits: add, fix, update, refactor. Example: fix Kubernetes liveness probe. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How GIT workflow helps GKE projects scale. As system grows, more microservices, more clusters, more developers, more deployments. Good workflow. Check mark keeps code manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy: GKGIT workflow is like air traffic control system. Without system, planes collide. With system, safe landings. Branches equals runways. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals live airspace. In simple words, GKGIT workflow means build carefully, test before deploy, review changes, release safely. Best strategy for GKE projects. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoiodide CD automation, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark no testing, cross mark no reviews. In GKE projects, your GIT commits control real Kubernetes clusters. A good GIT workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark builds trust.